This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with 2 quick checks. Raise the device volume and the in-call volume slider while in the call, because Messenger uses a separate audio channel. Once done, plug in headphones to test whether the phone speaker or app is at fault, and make sure focus/do not disturb is off. Next, close other audio apps and force quit Messenger, then reopen and immediately rejoin the call. This forces Messenger to reclaim the audio session and often restores proper volume routing. Now fine-tune both app and system settings. While on the call, press the physical volume keys to reveal the in-call volume. Adjust until clear. Open system sound or app volume mixer to ensure Messenger isn't set low. Toggle output. Switch from speaker to Bluetooth or wired headphones and back to force rerouting. If permissions for microphone or speaker were denied, grant them and rejoin. These steps fix misrouted audio paths caused by permissions or competing audio. Finish by resetting the app state. Clear Messenger's cache or uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupted audio settings. Then log back in and test a call. If possible, try another account or device to determine whether the problem is account-specific. If volume remains low, reboot the phone to reload drivers and audio services. This often cures persistent routing issues. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test with another calling app to confirm whether hardware repair is needed, rather than Messenger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.